Do you want to paint the hallway? Come on, let's go and scrape. The paint's not sticking anymore. It's falling on the floor. It's trying to go away. It used to be so pretty, and now it's not. And I really want it to stay. Do you want to paint the hallway? Come on, let's make over the hallway.
Hi YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia English. If you're new, make sure to hit the subscribe button and follow along on our journey. We just purchased a 1920s abandoned home about 4 provinces away from where we used to live. We moved here with nothing and we're tackling the huge task of bringing this old house back to life. One of the projects I was dying to get at was this entryway. It has amazing original tin ceilings, just dreamy when you look at the design of this space. Gorgeous wide staircase, and it obviously has this gorgeous texture that you see all behind me here. All original doors, so much character in this home, and we want to give it the love that it deserves. So to do that, we need to make a mess first. Are you ready to make a mess, Phil?
I don't know if I'm actually ready to make a mess, but I keep looking at this and I'm ready for this to go and look absolutely gorgeous.
You just said you're ready to make this go, and all I heard was the word snow.
Oh no.
I think that this white paint on the ceiling is going to make it snow in the hallway. So a lot of questions about what type of paint this is. We have tested this. We know that we're being told by our test that this is not lead paint, but there are several layers of paint here, so we're gonna take extra precautions. We did ask some experts on what we should do. My original plan was to strip all the paint off of all the tiles, but because I'm going to be repainting them as part of the design that I planned for the space, we're going to actually fix up some of the areas that are already peeling, help those areas, and then we're gonna start basically from the top down. We're gonna strip the staircase, fix up these walls. We're starting with the ceiling, so let's make it snow. Okay, so I have some professional tools with me. I have some painter's tape, a broom handle, a bathtub scrubbing brush that actually is like pretty coarse, but not enough that it's going to scratch the tin, and a plastic scraper. So I'm gonna work from the ceiling down, and since I can't really scrape the ceiling and I don't wanna damage any of the tiles, I'm going to tape my scraper here onto it and try to chip off as much of the loose paint as I possibly can, letting it fall on the floor. And then we're gonna use this for the side walls. I don't wanna ruin the tile. Right now we're gonna paint them, but you never know in the future what we're ever gonna wanna do down the road, years and years down the road, and I really don't wanna damage all that original tin underneath. So we're gonna be as careful as possible. So we're gonna rig this up and start letting it snow. This may or may not work, but I figure it's worth a shot. Apparently there's no official tool for protecting old tin and scraping it off a ceiling.
You're telling me there's not a tool to clean 1920s Art Deco?
Oh man. So basically, well, this is a good look. Basically, what I read about dealing with possible lead paint, or if you are removing lead paint, is that sometimes you can just use a stripper and actually drip and strip it right off. I did not want to do that when we have pets and animals and the kids and us in the house, and it would be a really long process, especially since I'm going to paint it. And so what I read online was that if you're going to have any peeling or chipping paint like we did on the ceiling here, it's best to remove all the parts that are chipping and then be able to paint over it. So basically just keeping what's intact what you can, and then kind of going from there, which I think is a pretty good solution because you won't see it once we get it all painted up.
What day is it?
It's been a long time since you said that.
I know.
This is definitely better than painting wallpaper.
So good.
I'm gonna help Elisha out with doing some of this because if it would take Elisha forever by herself to do this, And I think she's okay with me helping out at this point.
Yeah, I think I'm working on the ceiling. So Philip's going to start working on some of the walls here. We've got some patches, as you can see, kind of to the left of Philip there. And we've got some spots here already started and kind of peeled off. So any spots that are already started, we're making sure that there's nothing crumbling, nothing bubbling, and nothing chipping, because those are the parts that we want to make sure we kind of keep in back intact. We don't want to have that. I've got quite a bit off the ceiling and I'm still working my way all the way across. And then before we do anything else, like any cleanup at all, we're going to use the palm sander and start stripping these stairs. So we're kind of working on both these projects at the same time.
We're going to make one big mess and then we're going to clean it all up and then we can get to kind of refinishing everything and making it look really nice, right?
Yeah, I already have the paint color.
I know, oh, and I've seen the paint color and I'm really excited about this paint color.
The boys insisted it was this color, so it was a mutual family decision.
Yeah, I think it has to be this color and I think our YouTube family will agree when they see this color.
I'm excited. Okay, let's keep stripping this off the wall.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired.
Woo!
I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside.
I think we should go with this, whatever this patina is.
Love it. Dayton wants to leave it rainbow, he said.
Yeah,
Except for
too.
some of it's silver and some of it has this patina on it.
It would look good if you do it right.
If I could get all the paint off and actually strip it, maybe. But my worry was that if I used the stripper, that it would change the color of the tin.
Yeah.
And I don't want to damage the tin in any way.
To be perfectly honest, I don't want it tin.
No, I don't want a silver all the way. No. But the other thing is that the tin that's on the ceiling appears to be a different color now than the walls.
Right.
So it would have been very silver ceiling and then rainbow walls. Not sure I would have been able to get the white paint out of all the detailing on the molding part either. So
no.
Could have been interesting if we kept it all original. I bought a massive stack of sandpaper so we can get our way through these stairs. We have 2 palm sanders, so Philip's gonna tackle one, I'm gonna tackle one, and I'm gonna start from the top and work my way down. And I also have a metal scraper with a really nice blunt, kind of sharp edge on it, because there is quite a bit of raised paint chips where someone's left just globby paint, and I think this will help speed up the sanding process if I do a once over of the staircase first. And then we're gonna get this prepped so we can paint the staircase after we clean up of course.
Right. I just did a shot and I was like, oh
Okay.
no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. It just looks like confetti. Yeah, these stairs definitely need a lot of love. Yeah.
The amount of paint they have in all the grooves, just going from the stairs to the side panel here.
Yeah.
Holy. What were they thinking? I can see drips. It looks like they just poured the paint and let it go. Oh. Philip's working really hard here about, I don't know, are you 5 stairs up?
I didn't even do the bottom 2.
Oh, so you're 3 stairs in.
I'm only 3 stairs in.
Maybe over half an hour or more already. I think you're going to be several hours, and he's pulling out.
Oh my gosh, can you even see that?
Yeah, all of these teeny tiny little staples.
And I have these needle nose pliers, and every time I grab on, I'm like, I think I can, I think I can, I think I can, I think I can. I'm just encouraging myself all the way up this because I know we want it perfect, but.
We don't want to cut any corners. We want to make sure we can fill any of the holes and everything. And since these stairs are in really sturdy condition, just in very poor cosmetic condition, I think if we put in the love that these need, it will be really nice in the end. But lots of stairs worth of staples to remove. Philip's doing a really good job, and he's being really careful not to wreck any of the sort of trim that's on the under part of these stairs. The lip of the stairs.
There is beautiful trim underneath the stairs here. And so we obviously want to keep the integrity of these stairs. And like Elish said, there really is no cricks or cracks on these stairs. They're built really well and they're solid stairs, so we don't really want to mess with them too much.
No, but we do want all the staples out because we want them safe. And
Well, as I look, like whoever ripped the carpet out of here, there's only a couple on each one, so this is looking good on the way up. They obviously got lazy on the way down, just cut the carpet, but I'm thinking they got most of them up, so I'm going up 2 stairs here. Whoop whoop.
I'm doing what seems like the never-ending task of sweeping up all of these paint chips. Don't really want to put them even in the shop vacuum. I want to just sweep them and get them out, see how many I can get with the broom, but progress.
Hey, Phil.
Yeah.
Do you want to paint the hallway?
No, I don't. Go away.
Aww. You're supposed to say, okay, fine. That's how the song goes, Phil. You missed that part. You're supposed to say.
Try it again. Just do it again.
Oh, do you want to paint the hallway?
No, I still don't want to paint the hallway.
You know your husband loves you when he will spend several hours pulling staples out of an old, more than 100-year-old staircase.
Yeah.
All for a vision, right, Phil?
I see the vision.
Sees the vision.
I want the vision. Don't step on that. That's a tack.
Yikes.
They went from staples to tacks. Super tacky.
Super tacky. How dare they?
How dare they mix?
Can you hear ducks and chickens?
Do you think they know how to do this?
I know, right?
They can help.
I'm rolling some. How many do you see?
Just one there, and then there's a couple on the one underneath you.
You're getting closer to me on the camera.
Oh, 3 hours later.
Wow.
I have reached the summit.
Amazing. He's worked so hard on these stairs and he's getting out all the staples. We're almost ready to start the next steps of prepping and getting these all sanded, puttied, and ready for paint. The staircase is going to be amazing. How excited are you to see it finished?
Oh my gosh. I'm so excited to see it finished. Yeah. No, I can't wait it's such a grand entry and it needs a grand makeover. And I can't wait to just walk in and see it all.
And our furniture has been arriving.
Oh yeah.
So we have some
we haven't
awesome
shown our
furniture.
YouTube family yet. We should do another tour. Leave in the comment section if you want to see another grand tour of the house, and let me know, do you want to see more of the outside? And we can give you a tour of all the furniture inside the house right now.
Yeah, so a couple questions we had on some of our videos were, are we going to put furniture in the rooms that are not done yet? And the question, or the answer to that is absolutely yes. And the reason for that is we have no furniture. We moved here with no furniture. So we really can't have nothing in the rooms, or where do you put anything away?
Right.
So we've been having a lot of fun, right, Bill? Putting together all of the furniture, because apparently doesn't matter where you order furniture, it doesn't come assembled.
No matter where, you can order it from any big box store and it's not going to come assembled. Yeah, absolutely. We are furniture professional builders right now, I'm telling you.
And we have multiples of all the tools that come with it. How many
yeah.
Allen keys do we have right now?
Yeah, and wrenches.
Oh, man.